evaluating classifiers. So we have seen that there will be a Y test and there will be Y predictions. Y test is the actual labels on the test set. Y prediction is the predictions of the model. Okay, now let us say that there is this kind of data where 0 is the no cancer. Let us say we are making a machine learning model that predicts cancer or no cancer. These are the actual data and these are the predictions. So when actually there is no cancer and predicted as no cancer, it is called as true negative for Tn. When actually there is no cancer but predicted as cancer, it is false positive for Fp, which is the type 1 error. Then there is a truly cancer but not able to detect, that is the false negative Fn, which is the type 2 error. And finally we have truly cancerous and detected also as cancerous by the model, so this is the true positive. So we want as little as type 1 and type 2 errors. That means the model will be better. So to achieve that, we have to make many such changes to the model design, but sometimes instead of this true positive, false negative, true negative, we use other performance measure also. Together all of these are called as the confusion matrix. And other than that, there is a other performance measure which is precision. So this is true positive upon true positive plus false positive, whereas recall is true positive upon true positive plus false negative. And there is F1 score, which combines precision and recall as 2 times precision into recall multiplied by precision plus recall. This F1 score is between 0 and 1, where 1 stands for very good and 0 stands for a poor machine learning model. That means model that is very little accurate. So always we will prefer the F1 score for evaluating the classifier performance, or we may also use the precision or the recall. Other than that, lesser use value is the accuracy, which is true positive plus true negative upon true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative. So this is also a very useful measure, but majorly we do not use accuracy, we use the F1 score, which is calculated like this. Even accuracy is between 0 and 1, with 1 being very good and 0 being very bad or poor classifier. Okay, so make sure that you are evaluating the classifier on the test set and checking its performance. So to summarize, we have F1 score, which is between 0 to 1. We have the accuracy, which is between 0 to 1. We have the precision, which is also between 0 to 1, and we have the recall, which is also between 0 to 1. Remember, 1 is good and 0 is bad for a machine learning model. The model which will have all of these measures 1, then it will be the best, and always we prefer to have the F1 score as the performance measure for deciding the quality of the machine learning model. So that was it about evaluating classifiers. Thank you for